Okay, for all my people who are working in markets where wholesaling is illegal, and at the time of this recording, we're talking Illinois and we're talking Oklahoma. I want you to understand one thing: the act of wholesaling is not illegal. Assigning contracts is what's illegal in those markets, right? And yes, they are trying to break down on wholesaling in those markets, but you can't stop wholesaling. We just discussed double close, right? Double closing is when I buy a property and then I sell a property to another individual same day, right? We talked about using transactional funding for that. You can't make that illegal. I am buying a property and I am selling a property. That's still wholesaling. We're just using a different exit strategy. So if you're working in those markets, you have to double close. That is the solution. That's the only thing. That's the only difference. Everything we've done up until this point is the exact same thing. You have your buyer. The only thing that changes is you're not doing an assignment. You're simply double closing. And that is it. I don't want it to get more than that for you guys. Don't think that you have to go get a license right now to do this. You don't need a license, because they can't make that illegal for me to buy a property and me to sell a property. So double closing is the solution for you guys. I wanted to make a quick chapter on this. Let's keep on trucking. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.